Welcome to the orientation program, orientation for Certified Human Resource Generalist program. One of the very comprehensive certification program for HR professional, those who are working in HR fields, mid-level to senior level. It is very good and very comprehensive one for them. And this is one of the uh, widely accepted and the premium type programs for World Academy. So this is probably what's the batch number? It
It is sir
is
16th batch.
16 batch. Very good. Thank you for the information. So previously we have conducted 15 batches so far, and this is the 16th batch. So you can understand uh, how popular this course is towards the HR professional. So we are going to have our orientation today, and it will be around 30 to 40 minutes time for this orientation. I will be with you as the session host for today, and we will talk about the course administration procedure and also the course insights, the learning points from this course, how this course will be benefited. So these are the things will be discussed, and of course, if there is any question from your side, that will also be taken care of. So altogether, I will be sharing a presentation. It may take around 20 to 25 minutes up to 30 minutes. And then we will have our question answer part. If you do have any question, we will be addressing that question as well. So that's about the today's agenda. This is Rupok Zaidi. I'm working with World Academy. Presently, I'm in Malaysia for conducting some programs in Malaysia. So it is around 10 o'clock in the evening time for me in Malaysia. Let me share my screen. So welcome once again to the orientation program hosted by World Academy. World Academy is one of the premium professional certification institute based in United Kingdom. Our motto is shaping expertise, nurturing ambitions, elevate your potential. Always World Academy is beside you for developing your competencies to cope up with the agility of organization, the changing behaviors of the organization. So always you will be equipped as a HR professional or as any other professional. So World Academy is beside the professionals for developing their competencies. We are ISO certified organization. Couple of ISO certifications we do have. What was telling to you that global impact of World Academy, the World Academy having its presence in, yes, it is Edward, it's fine. I'm showing this one, and I'm also seeing that what you are seeing. There is a option to see what participants are seeing from my screen. So the impact on global landscape, we have our presence in 65 plus countries. In fact, this is 67 now, and 200 plus programs from academic to certified. We have both type of program. We have academic program and also certified professional programs. Altogether, it is more than 200, and our alumni size is 30,000 from different countries, from 65 plus countries, and total 132 instructors from 14 countries. So it's huge. In fact, areas of instructors panel, and 30% of our alumni holding C-suite positions. That means the senior level professionals are also attached with us, and total 95% course completion rate at the first attempt. So that is another significant achievement for World Academy's alumni, that they can qualify in the first attempt in majority cases. Why World Academy is the right choice for you? Because it is one of the largest professional certification institute based in United Kingdom. Till now, we are telling it is one of the largest, but we are hopeful that we can tell that we are the largest and very soon. It is globally accepted. The credentials, affordable with other organizations. So very much affordable fees offering, flexible payment plan. You will find the payment plan with us. Wide range of programs. So wherever you are working, HR, finance, project management, or even in HR, in the entry level, in the mid level, in the senior mid level, wherever it is, you will find programs with us. 150 certified programs, 30 plus master's program, and 40 plus diploma level programs. And we do have user-friendly learning management system for easy learning, benefits, wide range of benefits, so that anyone can become beneficial through our programs. And we are using credly.com, which is a Pearson's Education Group's concern. They are issuing our digital badges on behalf of us. Okay. The global affiliation of World Academy, we are accredited by NQL. NQL is of qual regulated organization. And we're also approved center by Cambridge Academy of Professional, which is an UK-based certificate professional organization. And we're also approved center by ProfQual. Again, it's an UK-based certification awarding body for higher education, and approved center by Board of HR Certification. This is also HR certification organization in United Kingdom. And we are also working with HRCI, SHRM, and ATD, the three very giant certification awarding body based in United States. And we are SHRM academically aligned institute. This is one of the very significant achievement for us. SHRM academically aligned institute, where we have partner organization institute KPI specialist and business English, and we are also accredited institute by National Project Management Academy United Kingdom. So these are our global affiliations. We are working with these institutes for different programs. That is our mission 2030, to become the number one professional certification institute based in United Kingdom, having presence in 100 countries. So that is a very clean and clear mission we have set, and with the blessing of Almighty, we are very much on track for achieving our mission 2030. That is our recent achievements, recent programs we have done so far in East Africa region. So we have done our graduation ceremony in Kenya in August 2025 for our graduates in Kenya and in that belt. Also, we have done professional global professional summit. It's a conference in Kenya as well, in person, physical programs. We also did our graduation ceremony for Uganda, and also there is a conference called International People Summit in Uganda as well, both together. And we have done our graduation ceremony in Tanzania. Also, we have done our Global Professional Summit in Tanzania. So 6 programs we have done so far in August 2025 in East Africa belt, and some other graduation ceremonies will be scheduled in coming months in different region of the world. This program, Certified Human Resource Generalist (CHRG), is validated by uh, Cambridge Academy of Professionals and recognized by SHRM, HRCI, and ATD. So this program is being recognized by these 3 institutes for getting the recertification credits. And this is the digital badge you will be received through Credly after successful completion of this program. And the Credly is one of the largest. I mean, it is the largest. It is the largest digital badge issuer organization in the world. This is the sample certificate and transcript. So you'll receive a transcript which contains the credits and the module names with also the competencies. So anyone can see this transcript and can understand in which areas you will be competent after completion of this program. And that is one of the very special feature for this program. There is a operational manual. This is a printed manual. So this printed manual will be given to you free at cost. However, you need to pay the printing cost and the courier cost. So we are not selling it to anyone without, I mean, if nobody is completing CHRG program, it is not for sales. It is complementary CHRG program, but you need to pay the courier fees and also the printing charge, and you will be notified once you can tell us the respective country name. We can tell you that to send this book to your country, this much is required, and the printing charge will also be communicated. Printing charge is very insignificant, very small amount, but sending charge depends on the courier fees, courier, I mean, company, and also the country. We have completed 15 batches. This is the 16th batch we are going to start, and total 615 professionals have already completed this program. Participants from 46 countries. Where our people are working, those who have completed CHRG in different countries, in different type of organization, UN organization, government organizations, banking sectors, NGOs, group of companies, manufacturing organizations, associations. So in different companies, people are working with our certification programs. A total 4 months duration, live online class through Zoom. Class will be on Friday only. So only Friday, 2 to 4 p.m. GMT or 8 to 10 p.m. Bangladesh time, the class will be held. Free books and materials. All other books, the the soft version of the books will be available. So you will receive it in the learning management system, and also live interaction you can do through learning management system. Why you need to choose World Academy's CHRG? Job-oriented learning, focus on competency framework. I will be showing you what are the competencies you'll be gaining. Extensive practice during the course. There are a couple of assessment or assignments you need to do, which is a very extensive practices. Simulation exercises and equip you tools and formats and global resources. The learning portfolio. What will gain? Here you can see 12 practical focus modules, 48 competences, 48 learning objectives. So each module have 3 competencies and 3 learning objectives, and 10 guided questions. The guided questions are also very practical oriented question. So you will receive, and after the program, after the successful completion, you will receive a book which contains these guided questions and its standard answer. It is not the manual. Manual is separate. This is separate. You will receive this as a soft version without any further fees. And 10 live sessions, 10 group activities. Each session will have a group work or group activity. So you will be experiencing this. That is the learning portfolio for certified HR generalist. How the course will be administered? The class 12 modules, 10 session. So in 2 classes, you will find 2 modules are clubbed. So total 20 hours instructor-led program. Class will be a per week basis. There will be review and question answer part as well. And we will share the class recording after this program, after the class being held. Opportunity to attend the makeup exam free at cost, and class material we can share within 1 to 2 days time. And class notification you will receive through WhatsApp group. Sometimes the trainer, due to trainer's emergency, if any class is being postponed, it will be rescheduled on any other Friday, not any other day. So only Friday will be the class. And during the class, all are requested to rename yourself with the full name so the system can detect your attendance. Assessment part, how the assessment will be done. One final exam. 50 multiple choice questions, 2 marks for each question, total 100 marks, 60 minutes duration. And for the assignment part, there is a one pre-course assignment which is not based on any assessment. It is only for the learning purpose. And there will be in-course assignment. So total 3 in-course assignment you need to submit. Each contain 100 marks, and then capstone project which is 300 marks. So for each part you need to qualify by achieving 70% or more marks for the exam, for the assignment, in course assignment, and also capstone project. So that is the complete assessment framework. Final exam 100 marks, 50 questions. Final assignment or capstone project, this is 300 marks. And in course assignment, total 300. 3 assignments, 100 each. The certification, you will receive electronic certificate and digital badge. After that, the printed certificate will be followed. Now, I'm showing you what are the insights of this program, how the program is credible, why you need to choose this program. So let me have a look on this. These are the objective of the program. You can see introduce the fundamentals of HR planning and budgeting. So there will be a module called HR planning, I think, and you will be learning on this. Develop skills for effective talent acquisition and onboarding. How to do this? What are the process? What are the steps that will be discussed? Tech methods for competency mapping to align roles with the organization. So competing will be there. Then provide insights into the designing impactful learning and development program. So L&D is another learning on L&D part. Then explore strategies for total reward management. So compensation benefit or total reward will be there. So you can learn on this as well. Introduce concept and practices of succession management. So that will be also discussed, succession management. Strengthen understanding of HR business partner 2.0. So in one module, you will be learning about HRBP 2.0. Check techniques for identifying and analyzing essential HR metrics, and develop skills for create HR dashboard using Excel. So there is one session which is an Excel based session. So these are the learning outcomes: create and manage HR plan, design and execute effective talent acquisition, map competencies, develop and implement learning and development initiatives, establish and manage KPI-driven performance management system, design total rewards, implement succession plan, act as a strategic HR business partner, interpret key metrics, and develop Excel-based dashboards. Now you see the modules, 12 modules: HR planning and budgeting, talent acquisition and onboarding, competency mapping, learning development, PI performance management system, total reward, employee separation and final settlement, succession management, labor law or employment law, dimension of HR business partner, essential HR matrix, and HR dashboarding through Excel. So these are the 12 modules which are very, very comprehensive. Let me go through one by one. So for module 1, HR planning, the competencies will be analytical thinking, financial acumen, strategic alignment, and decision making. What will be the learning objectives? Understand the key component of HR plan, develop skills in creating and managing HR budget, align HR budgeting with organizational strategy, and analyze resource allocation for HR activities. So in terms of developing the human resource plan, developing the budgets, analyzing it, aligning it, all these things will be discussed in the module 1. Then module 2, talent acquisition and onboarding. Learn effective recruitment strategies to attract the top talent. Understand the end-to-end talent acquisition process. So all the steps, all the process will be discussed here. Implement effective onboarding programs for new hires and evaluate and improve talent acquisition metrics. So the competencies are talent identification, recruitment strategy, onboarding excellence, and talent metrics. So these are the competencies you'll be gaining after module 2. In module 3, the competency mapping, it helps the organizations identify the key skills, behavior, and attitudes, which is very important nowadays. If you can map the competencies for each position, each role, that will help you for performance management, for better hiring, for any kinds of assessments. So the learning objective, define and understand competency mapping and its importance. So very simple. You will be understanding, you will be learning how to mapping the competencies, develop and implement competency framework, align competency mapping with the organizational strategy, and evaluate employee performance based on competency criteria. The skill sets or competencies, analytical skills, strategic alignment, performance evaluation, and employee development. So these are the competencies you'll be learning under this module. Module 4, learning and development. So you can see the need assessment, program design, delivery methods, evaluations, all these component learning and development cycle will be discussed here. Understand the principles, assess the organizational learning needs, design and implement relevant interventions, and evaluation. So instructional design, need assessment, program evaluation, facilitation skills. These are the competencies you will be achieving. In module 5, KPI based, one of the very important module for this program. And KPI based system nowadays is very common, widely used. So you'll be learn how to design the KPI, how to align it, how to evaluate the KPI, how to implement the KPI based system, how to monitor it. All these things will be discussed in this module, particularly focusing on how. And then total reward, the compensation benefits. So here you see the areas will be discussed: the reward management, the compensation, the work life balance, the recognitions, etc. So the objectives, understand the component. There are a couple of components for the total reward, so you will be learning all these components, how to design a compensation system which is competitive, which is attractive, implement non-monetary rewards to enhance the employee engagement, and evaluate the effectiveness of total reward system. What are the competencies you will be learning? Reward strategy development, employee engagement, compensation design, and program evaluation under module 6. Under module 7, employee separation and final settlement, very critical area of HR, right? You need to know the detailed process, you need to know the laws part as well. So everything you need to learn once you are doing these separation cases. So every part will be discussed in the session: the different types of employee separation, the legal aspects, the final settlement calculations. So all these things will be discussed here: exit management, compliance, employee communication, and transition management. And succession management, another very critical area, because business continuity, that is the part of succession management as well. So understand the importance, identify and develop the potential leaders with the organization, implement the succession plan. So you need to have the capacity to develop the succession plan and implement it. Everything will be learned from this course, from this module. So the competencies have been identified here: talent identification, developing planning, strategic alignment, and monitoring and evaluation for this implementation. Module 9 is labor law or employment law. For your information, the law related session will be separated. For Bangladeshi citizens, there will be Bangladesh labor law, and for international participants, there will be a generic type of law. These will not focusing on any country's law, but that will be a generic type of international law where you need to focus. In those session, you will be connecting with the clauses of the laws and where you need to focus. So you will be advised to go through your own country's law, but which part of the law you need to look into, that will be discussed in the session. And understand the essential labor laws and regulations, ensure the compliance, manage employee relations and conflicts in line with the labor regulations. So here the competence is legal compliance, conflict resolutions, risk management, and policy implementation. And you will 10 dimensions of HRBP 2.0. HRBP has its second version running right now, which is called 2.0. They've already introduced this in 2018. So you will be learning all this 2.0 framework. There are 13 dimensions. So you will learn what does it mean, how can you achieve it, how to implement this, how it can be beneficial for HR, how it can be adding value to the organizations. So every component will be discussed here. The competencies will be gained: strategic alignment, HR analytics, consulting, and change management. And in module 11, the essential HR matrix. That is the module 11, essential HR matrix. So here you will be learn very important and significant metrics under different areas like recruitment, performance management, compensation. So under different sections, what are the very potential metrics we're using for evaluating, for analyzing HR performance. So understand the importance of HR metrics, identify the key metrics for workforce management, analyze the HR data and evaluate the impact. So data analysis, decision making, continuous improvement and HR reporting will be the competencies under M11. And last module is M12, HR dashboard. It will be based on the Excel session. There will be an Excel session. The Excel session could be 2.5 hours, 2.5, something like that. A little bit of longer session. So in the Excel session, you will be learn how you can manage HR functions in Excel. How can you develop the dashboard in Excel? So these are the things will be discussed in the Excel session. So Excel proficiency, data visualization, HR reporting, and matrix monitoring. These are 12 modules you will be learning in different session. Okay. So that's from my side. The details. Now you can, if you have any question, you can ask the question. No question, right?
Yes, sorry, Rupak.
Yes, please. Please.
Edward here. Thank you so much for taking us through those 12 modules. Um, I'm thinking maybe training will be a component that will be included in any one of those 12.
Which
But why
one?
don't we have training as a component when we've identified the employees, we've onboarded them, and then we've developed those KPI and competencies? How do we roll out training so that how we can support staff so that they can perform? What do you
Training.
think? Training, the components of training. Maybe
Training
it is
is there.
included in. Okay.
Learning and development.
Okay, so it's included under learning and
Yes,
development.
yes,
That's
yes,
under
yes.
L&D.
Yeah,
L&D.
yeah,
Okay.
Ellen. Right, right.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Any other question from anyone? Okay. If not, that's very wonderful that you learned. You learned every parts. You understood every parts. So I can tell you this is one of the course which is very comprehensive for HR professional, mid level to senior mid level. It is very comprehensive, all the parts, all the major parts. I mean, I cannot say that all parts, but it's all major components have been covered here. So you will be getting, and very important part is the HR manual. Those who will receive this, those who will get this manual. So it is be detailed. It is be detailed with the steps. I mean, as a role, as a role in the HR department, you will learn how to do the work, what works need to be done, how it can be done, how can be monitored, how can be evaluated. So all these things and also the formats, the templates are there in the manual. So the manual is mixed with the process, the SOPs, the steps, and also all the templates are there, so that only this type of manual can be even $300 costs. You can if you can go through different sources, you will find that this type of practical handbook is really very costly. So we will be giving it to you without any charge, but you need to pay the printing and then the courier fees. So once we are sending the certificates along with this, we can send the book as well to you. All right. So that is what I can tell you. And the final submission to you and final notification, you are here with a special price because we have given a special offer winter offer. So it is a little bit of lower the price, and from the next year our price will be adjusted. You can, once you visit our website, you can see that there is a notification from the next year 2026 January. All the program price will be adjusted. Adjusted means will be increased to adjust the costs. So this is the last batch, last opportunity for anyone to get this CHRG course with this lower fees. Whatever you are paying right now, it could be double in January, because you are paying around 25 to 30% lower fees from the regular fees, and from the regular fees it will be around 20% higher in the coming year, so that you are getting almost half. So don't miss this opportunity. Try to get it with this special price in 2025. And also, my request is, please share the flyer with your network so that your friends also be aware about this offer, this price, and this program, because this is a very exclusive offer for HR professional.
Sir, if you allow me, I have
Yes.
something to know.
Please tell me.
Uh, I just want to know that a course function actually, the HR dashboarding through Excel. Is there any possibility to get some Excel formats that we can use in our workplaces?
Excel format, not Excel format. In the dashboard session, the practice this instructor will do in Excel, they will give this Excel. The creating dashboard, created dashboard you will receive. Whatever he will do, he will give the Excel. He will give two Excel file. One is empty file where he will be working, and after that solve file. So both the file you will be receiving. Apart from these, some other templates for different purposes, it will be in the manual book.
Thank you, sir. Sir, one more thing I just wanted to ask. The valuables
Please.
certification and badge, the CHRG badge, where we can use this? I mean, where using it will be valuable.
For anywhere, because I mean in your curriculum you can use it. Even as it is a credential, you can use CHRG beside your name, the LinkedIn, you can upload it, and it will give you some value in your corporate areas, in your professional organization.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Any other question from anyone?
Ugupaki, you've mentioned having live sessions in Tanzania, Uganda, and Kenya. When are you coming to West Africa?
Yes, we will come. Maybe in the first quarter of. In which country you are
20,
from? Sierra Leone.
Freetown, Sierra Leone.
Okay. My plan is there, so I will be talking with Patrice,
Yeah,
our partner.
Patricia.
So hopefully, let's see in the first quarter we may have a plan there.
Okay, we are looking forward to seeing you.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you very much.
Sure.
All right, so dear friends, thank you very much for your time, and of course, I'm sure that I could make you understand how the course is credible, how the course will be administered, and what is the value you will be adding to your career by getting this valuable certification from World Academy. And of course, at the end, I'll also try to make you understand that how much learning you will receive from this programs. So this is one of the very unique program for a generic HR part. That's why the name is HR generalist. So the generic type, all the core functions is being included here, so that you will be a generalist after this program. So thank you once again. Hope to see you on any other program or any other day in any other classes. See you. and share through your timeline in the Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram the flyer or this notification that you are joining. And also, I mean, this is the last opportunity to get this program with this special fee. Thank you once again. Take care and good night from Malaysia.